Ilang mga langga. Sige na lang dyan kong balik. Ano giahak. Every time I start, magkuhan ko na imutawag. Sugod na sad. But anyway, I want to share this that I heard this from a content creator ba. Akong gi-outline ang yang gisulti niya. She said that it's hard to find a husband kuno. Finding a husband is hard. Really? I think it depends, Because ang uban good kay naa sila yung mga standard that they want this. For example, they want like, I want a handsome, but the brain is empty. I want a brilliant one, but he's too serious. I want a rich man, but he's disrespectful. I want a hardworking man, but no time for you. I want a humble. He is not romantic. I want a serious one, but the ex keeps calling. I want an educated one, but he's always right, you know? He won't accept or listen to you because he's always right. And I want an illiterate one, but not don't want to be corrected. He easily get angry. He gets angry every time you correct him because yeah. And you want a smart one, but he lies every time. What ay daganan ana. But for me, ay lain man siguro no. I don't go. It's fine if if he's handsome or not. It's okay with me. It's fine. Always remember that nobody's perfect. Every time that we look for a person that we want, an ideal person that we want. Maybe we want an ideal one, but not a perfect one because nobody's perfect. But if you want an ideal one, always the ideal man or woman you have, they have weaknesses. If you love him or her, include that you have to love everything about him, especially the weaknesses that he has, she has. Okay? Because that's life. We know that we are not perfect. We have flaws. For me, I love my man unconditionally. I love you.